Just 6 months later, the next generation of the Ulefone Armor Pad is here again. And this tablet has been upgraded from the standard version to the Pro. Now it's called Armor Pad 3 Pro. Judging from the name, this upgrade is quite a big one. In fact, it does come with a lot more useful features too. So, let's start with the box. All the accessories are at the bottom of the box. Most of the accessories are similar to the previous gen. The most iconic hand strap and screwdriver are here. Like the Pad 2, this one has a hand strap that can be mounted on the back. Also included in the package are 4 spare screws and a card pin, 66-watt charger and a charging cable. The charger carries Ulefone's tradition of USB-C port and a wide range of charging protocols. There are also a bunch of manuals at the bottom of the box, charging instructions,
user manual, accessories ecosystem brochure, service center app instructions, multifunction instructions, safety pump card, and warranty card.
These instructions don't matter and you're not going to read them anyway. Okay, done with that, let's just take a look at what the Armor Pad 3 Pro has to offer in terms of upgrades. Ulefone's Armor series tablet have always been designed for outdoor workers. They need a rugged, large screen device to aid them in their work. The Armor Pad 3 Pro, the newest model, doesn't look much different from its predecessor. There's still a hard, rubberized body and metal buttons. The headphone jack and micro SD card slot supporting up to 2 TB are here too. With a closer look, you can still see quite a few upgrades. The most obvious ones are those 2 big LEDs. The Pad 2 only had 1 LED area and it wasn't as large as the 3 Pros. Just long press this button and light will fill the room. The 48 megapixel main camera has also been upgraded to a 50 megapixel one. The sensor size has also increased a bit, so the image quality will be a bit better than the Armor Pad 2. Being a rugged tablet like its predecessor, IP68 etc. certifications for water and dust resistance are also available. Another example is the extra metal contact on the back, which are definitely for connecting to some devices. So what exactly is the device? Ta-da! The Ulefone Sound Kit. This sound kit is an exclusive accessory for the Armor 3 Pro, serving as both a speaker and a tablet stand. Just mount the tablet like this and it becomes a compact but powerful speaker. The speaker has a maximum power of 9 watt and can reach a maximum volume of 114 dB. And since it connected to the tablet via an 8-pin connector, the latency and sound quality will theoretically be better than a Bluetooth connection. I'll put the speaker test at the end of the video so you can hear for yourself how much the sound kit improves the sound quality. These 2 accessories are not exclusive to the Armor Pad 3 Pro. The Pad 2 has the same ones. This tablet hand strap has an extra swivel function compared to the one that came in the box. It is also able to stand on the desktop as a kickstand. It will also be easier to install it without screws. And the holster has 4 functions that will make it easier for you to work outdoors. We showed them last time, so I won't show them all this time. So if you need them, remember to buy them when you get this tablet. The Armor Pad 3 Pro's screen is a little smaller than the Pad 2, but the other specs are the same. If you think that 10.36 inches still doesn't satisfy you, then this interface is designed for you. A full-size HDMI port. If you need to show engineering drawings to your clients, connect any large screen to see them clearly. Why doesn't Ulefone use the Type-C port to output video? I think there are 2 reasons. The first is that USB-C to HDMI cables or adapters are not common. The second is that HDMI ports are much more reliable than USB-C. After all, most of the users who buy this tablet will be using it in a dusty outdoor environment. We all know that normal tablets usually don't come with interfaces like HDMI. Armor Pad 3 Pro is not a normal tablet. It uses a MediaTek MT8788, an IoT processor that allows the motherboard to be connected to a variety of interfaces. The performance is good enough for daily use. After all, it is a tablet for work, so you can't expect too much. The good news is that the battery capacity has been nearly doubled compared to the Pad 2. With such a power-efficient processor, standby time is already doubled than the Pad 2. 66 watt of charging power is also exactly double than that of the 33 watt. So in terms of charging and battery life, one Pad 3 Pro is equal to 2 Armor Pad 2. That's the biggest upgrade for the Armor Pad 3 Pro, I think. Instead of releasing the Armor 3 standard version, Ulefone chose to release a Pro version first. After watching this video, you should understand why they did that. It's clear that a lot of changes have been made to the Armor Pad 3 Pro, more accessories, new interfaces that are more reliable, a better camera, a large battery, and charging power. Too many upgrades for Ulefone to think, oh, we've done too much. It should be called the Armor Pad 3 Pro. This is probably the strongest rugged tablet available. Do you like it? If so, feel free to post your thoughts in the comment section. I'm Ulefone Gizmochina. See you next time.